I'm just doing the most because you don't do enough. But you're not going to get the compliments if you don't want to put in the work. It's always going to start with some soap and water. Hey besties, welcome back. If you're new here, I'm Sheree. If you are returning, you know I love you like I love cooked food. And welcome back, besties. Today we are talking all about perfume layering. Perfume layering 101, so you can layer your fragrances like a pro. It's not your fault if you don't oftentimes smell your fragrance when you apply it. I'm going to share with you how to get your fragrances to last all day and how to ensure that you are the best smelling girl guy in the room. If you're here for that, please continue to watch. On this channel, I cover fashion, beauty, luxury, lifestyle, all things fancy and fabulous. So if that seems like your vibe or your zhush, go ahead and consider taking 2.5 seconds, smash the subscribe button, do not forget to hit the notification bell, and make sure you come over and say hi on Instagram. I hear it all the time. Sheree, I'm spraying my fragrances and I don't smell them. Even my aunts tell me that. What am I doing wrong? I'm spraying it heavy, I don't smell it, what's tea? Okay, let me break it down for you step by step what I do. I'm gonna go in a particular order, and I have a layering combo here that just won't quit. So if you want to be the best smelling girl guy in the room, you wanna follow these steps. Now, if you're new here, I'm gonna say it. If you're not, you could say it with me. It's always gonna start with some soap and water. If you want your fragrances to last, if you want your fragrances to stand out, to project, you wanna leave a sillage, you wanna leave off a scent trail when people walk behind you or come into your personal space, it's gotta start with some soap and water. So in the shower, you wanna make sure you scrub it up. I love an African net. I love exfoliating. It's always gonna help every product you put on there after. So it's always gonna start with some soap and water. Okay, after the shower, it depends on you. This is how I do it. You don't have to follow everything to a T, but these are the steps, okay? I like to get out and immediately I wanna go in with some type of lotion, some type of cream. Now, if your body is still supple, still wet, you wanna make sure you go in with the body cream. I like something a little bit thicker. Even if it's hot outside, I still like something thicker. I just find that it works better for my body type. So for me, you can go in with something like Fenty. This has a little bit of a scent. It's gonna give you a little bit of a vanilla type of scent to it as well. It's gonna match our fragrances to the T, so it's not gonna disturb. This is one that I would reach for this combo. I would also reach for Delina for this combo. Delina body cream will go with this combo amazingly as well. You don't have to break the bank. Just reach for a cream that you have. Now, let's say that you say, I don't have a body cream that's going to match the fragrance. In your collection, you want to take a body cream, a body butter, a shea butter, something. It doesn't even have to have a scent, or maybe the scent is very mild and you really can't smell it. Put something like that on. You just want to make sure you put on something, preferably, like I said, right out of the shower while the body is still a little supple, still a little wet, still a little damp. Okay, we move on. Next thing you want to go in with, for me, because I like to put on some type of body spray. I just do it all the time, you guys. I love to do a little body spray. This one is by Ellis Brooklyn, and this is their new one. It's called Love Palm. It's really good. It's got pomegranate juice in it, strawberry, vanilla, orchid. It's gonna go well with the fragrances that I'm mixing it with today. Put a little bit of this on. Another one that would be good is this one here by Sol de Janeiro. This is Cheeky Bikini. This is another one that's really good. I like to put this all over, head to toe, just spraying it. No rhyme, no reason. You just want to spray it. It's something else that you've put on right after your moisturizer, so the body is taking it in and adhering to it. So this is on, right? So far, let's recap. We've got our soap and water. Then we came out with our body cream. Then we put on a little spray. And then I like to put on an oil because I like my body to glisten and shine. With today's combo, I would reach for Karma Sutra every time. Karma Sutra Crystal or Karma Sutra. It does not have to be Karma Sutra by Skin Potion. It could be anything that you have in your collection, but this is a phenomenal choice. If you have not heard of Skin Potion, 10 out of 10, I would highly recommend. I have tons of videos dedicated to Skin Potion on my channel. It is an amazing, amazing product for your skincare. So this I would go in with. This is going to give you a little bit oil. Remember, on that same body part, we're putting it here. This is how it's going to look. So we're starting here. We're locking in the moisture. We're keeping it hydrated, keeping a glow, keeping a shine, because why? This is summer. This is a time where the skin is out. We got a little bit more skin out than we typically do. Well, I know I do. I can't speak for you. Let me know how you feel about that. But typically in the summertime, I've got a little bit more skin out. Whether it's the décolleté, the shoulders are always going to be on deck. My arms are out, legs are out. It just depends. So definitely you want to go in with something that's going to hydrate, moisturize, and stick to the body. I like a body oil, a scented one if I can find one. I don't stop there because I'm not done. You don't have to follow this step, but I'm extra. So I not only want to glisten and shine, I want a body shimmer on. And this one by Fenty is absolutely amazing. I believe this is in the shade Rose Gold. It's called Who Needs Clothes. So if that gives you any indication, I love this. This is getting on you, and I'm telling you, if you want to be discreet, this is not the one for you. This is gonna be, I don't even think you guys will be able to see it, but this is going to be all over you. You can't see the specs there, but if you ever see me in public and I look like I'm doing way too much, the absolute most, I'm just doing the most because you don't do enough. But I'm also wearing Fenty Who Needs Clothes because this is definitely gonna get on your body and everybody is gonna see you coming from a mile away. So Fenty is my favorite. It has a light scent to it, nothing too much. You're not really gonna smell it, but you're definitely gonna see it. So like I said, you can omit that step if you want, but if you're extra like me, which you probably are, that's why you're watching this channel. If you are, go ahead and add that step to it. It just makes it even more over the top. When they see you, they see you. Okay, here I come. Smell me before I get there and see me before I get there, okay? Because I'm coming in. Then after you do that, you want to go in with your heavier fragrance first, the heavier of the two. And today's combo, we're going to start with Angel Nova. This is so fruity, it's so sweet, but it's got depth and it's got projection and sillage and it's got longevity. This is going to get on you, hold you tight, and on my skin, it's going nowhere. Let's also keep in mind, fragrances are subjective. They perform differently on everyone. So this may not give you the same longevity or sillage or projection that it gives me, but every single time I wear it, this is what it gives me. So find the fragrance in your collection that best works for you. This is the example that we're going with today. Angel Nova, fruity, raspberry, lychee. It's sexy, it's flirty, it's giving good vibes and good energy, right? So we're gonna go ahead and spray that right on top. Where are we spraying it on top of? We're spraying it on top of our hydrated, moisturized, clean skin with our oils, our lotions, our shimmer. We went in, we sprayed this on top. Now I'm gonna put the lighter of the fragrance on. And in this case, I'm reaching for the 7 Virtue, and this is Candied Lychee. Today's combo is giving flirty, sensual, sexy, a little foo-foo la-la. I wanna smell beautiful. I wanna smell flirtatious, a little giddy. That's the vibe that I'm going for. But I also wanna smell sweet and kind of floral, and at the same time, I wanna smell fruity and juicy. So that is Candied Lychee. We're gonna top this right on top of that. Put that right on top. Let it sit for a quick 2.5 seconds. When you let it sit, allow the dry down to happen just a tad bit. Maybe count to 20. I'm going back in because like I said, you can skip this step. But as I mentioned, I'm extra. So I'm gonna go in and sandwich my fragrance. I'm gonna go right back in and put the heavier of the two on top. I'm gonna wait another 2.5 seconds. Oh yeah, because we got time. You're not gonna get the compliments if you don't wanna put in the work. If you wanna put in the work, you gotta put in the work so that you can get the compliments so that your fragrance can last all day. I did say this is layering for the pros 101. This is how you get it done. Go back in with your fragrance, okay? Go right back in with your fragrance here, and then you wanna put the lighter one all the way on top. Now you're done with your fragrance combo. Thank you, Jeffrey. Now you're done with your fragrance combo. You could let it go and you could stop and you can stay right there. You could be done and walk away. But not me. I'm extra. I need a hair perfume. I need something that I can put in my hair and also that I can spray head to toe. What am I gonna reach for? I'll probably reach for something that's still in the berry family. That's Fleur, and this is your berry cream. Now with this, I can get carried away because everything is in, hair is secured, and now I'm good to go. I smell good from head to toe. I've got this in my hair going all the way down to my body. If you're wearing sandals, strappy heels, skirts, dresses, spray the back of your legs, spray down by your elbows, spray the bottom of your feet, spray down by your thighs, spray it so that when you walk, you're able to smell it. This is going to ensure your fragrance is locked in, your body is hydrated and moisturized, and you are giving off that good all day long. All of these fragrances have similar notes inside of them, being vanilla, being fruity, being berries. They all have similarity when it comes to the notes. None of them are identical, but they are in the same family. This is the combo that I'm sharing with you today. Apply your fragrances like this. Always start with some soap and water. I'll be right here waiting for you. Make sure you come back and let me know how it works for you. I can't wait to hear how many compliments you receive. Thanks so much for taking the time to stop by my channel today. Share this video with a friend. Don't forget to hype it up, and I will see you beautiful souls in the next one. Until next time, you know the drill. Be blessed, stay fit, but more importantly, definitely stay fabulous, darlings. Thanks for watching. Bye. Bye, guys.